It's Jamie from Capitalize on the Differentiator that's rooted in you. Let me ask you something real. You've got the training, the results, and the heart, but your calendar is still not where you want it to be. You're showing up online, you're posting, you're doing all the things, but nothing's landing. It's not because your coaching isn't good enough. It's because your coach marketing isn't built around you. You don't need to do more. You need a system. That's why we created the 4M method, a first coach approach to getting seen, heard, and hired. So here's how it works. Message. Say what you do and who you help with total clarity. Magnet. Show up where your people already are and draw them in. Map. Lead people to the next step so they know exactly how to work with you. This is coach marketing without burnout, without guesswork, without trying to be everywhere at once. That's the killer. So if you're ready to stop chasing and start connecting, let's make your message magnetic. The link to the free coaching marketing checklist is below. And if you want personal guidance, book a differentiator evaluation call on the right or above or below, depending where you're watching this. We'll figure it out together. Let's all start showing up for ourselves. See you on the next one.